Okay, so for this problem we have a bowl containing W white chips and R red chips and B black chips. We pulled chips out of this bowl with replacement, so they're drawn independently. What is the probability that a white chip appears before a black chip? Okay, so to do this one, we'll just start by listing out the possible ways that this could happen. One way that this can happen is that the white chip is drawn first, in which case certainly a white chip appears before a black one. Another way that this could happen is that, let's see, well, something else is drawn first and then the white chip is drawn second. Well, what could be first? Well, if the white chip is first, that's this possibility. So the only way this could happen is if a red chip is drawn first and then a white chip is drawn second, so that white is drawn before black. Okay, then continuing the logic, if the first white chip appears on the third draw, that means something else besides either white or black would appear on the first and second draws. And and so on. So those are the possible ways that a white chip could appear before a black chip. Okay, so what's the probability of this happening? Well, the chance of drawing a white chip first would be, well, there's W plus R plus B chips total in the bowl, and the chance of drawing a white chip first is W out of that. So there are W white chips total out of W plus R plus B total chips. Next, we have the chance of drawing a red chip first would be R over W plus R plus B, times the chance of drawing white on the second would be W over W plus R plus B. And I can just multiply because these events are independent. We're drawing with replacement. Okay, then the chance of drawing two red chips first, that'd be R over W plus R plus B squared, times W over W plus R plus B. And I can simply add these things up because these events here are mutually exclusive, and so the union of these events, the probability of the union of these events is just simply going to be the sum. And this is going to be an infinite sum. Hypothetically, you could have 20 red chips in a row, and then the 21st chip would be white. You could have 1,000 red chips in a row, and the 1,001st chip would be white. So this is going to be an infinite sum, and so I have an infinite series here. Now, how do I evaluate this? Well, we notice that what we have here is a geometric series. We have a geometric series here, and the formula for a geometric series, if you recall, goes like this. That if you have A plus AR plus AR squared, and so on, the formula for a geometric series, or infinite geometric series, is the first term divided by 1 minus the common ratio. And this is a formula that I believe we've derived in class. So applying the formula here, why do I know this formula applies? Because the first term here is clear, and then each successive term I am multiplying by an extra R over W plus R plus B. So this term here is the R over here on the formula to the right. Okay, so applying the formula, we have the first term, W over W plus R plus B, over 1 minus the common ratio, R over W plus R plus B. And then it's a matter of simplification. So this is equal to W over W plus R plus B over W plus R plus B minus R over W plus R plus B, just getting a common denominator in the bottom. Okay, and finally we conclude those cancel, then R's cancel, and we end up with W over W plus B. And so that is the probability that a white chip will appear before a black chip.